In this tutorial I will show you how to create such creative, attractive, eye-catchy ice cream posters in Adobe Photoshop. Create new document of 1080 by 1350 pixels. Select Rectangle tool. Left click to insert width and height. Unlink radius. Set the bottom edge's radius to 430 pixels. From properties, keep fill to gray color and stroke to none. Place it accordingly. Press Ctrl+R to enable ruler. Select Rectangle tool and add guideline as shown. Then select Ellipse tool. Left click to insert its width and height. From properties, keep fill to light gray and stroke to none. Place it accordingly. From File, select Place Embedded to place ice cream PNG image. If you want these PNG images, let me know in comments section below. Free transform and place it accordingly. Now select Rectangle layer. From Layer Style, select Gradient Overlay. Select Gradient. Copy these HEX color codes. This gradient is made as per ice cream colors using eyedropper tool. Follow these overall settings. Select Ellipse tool and from blend mode select Overlay. From File, select Place Embedded to place Strawberries PNG image. If you want these PNG images, let me know in comments section below. Select Lasso tool. Left click and select Single Strawberry. Press Ctrl+J to make a copy. Similarly, follow the same process. Randomly place the strawberries as shown.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Select all strawberries layer using Shift key. Right-click and select Merge Layers. Again right-click and convert it to Smart Object. From Filter select Blur then Radial Blur. Follow these settings. Again go to Filter, now select Gaussian Blur. Set the radius to 2.5. From Filter select Blur then Radial Blur and follow these settings. Now select Smart Filter Layer. Then select Brush Tool. Make sure foreground color is black. Follow the process. Now select Type Tool. Left-click to insert. I am using DM Sans Bold font. Keep text size to 40 points and color to white. Type the text. Hold Alt key and drag to make a copy. Century Gothic regular font is used here. Change text size to 18 points. Follow the same process to other text. Place the text accordingly. Place this text below strawberries layer. Britney signature regular font is used here. Select Ice Cream Layer. From Layer Style select Drop Shadow. Follow these settings. Press Ctrl plus Alt plus Shift plus E key to create merged layer. That's it for today. If you like my content, subscribe to my channel and let me know in comments. Also, don't forget to check out my other tutorials. Thank you.